Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in this video, we will talk about Sea of Galilee. So Sea of Galilee is the lowest lying water bodies of the world, and you can see here the picture of Sea of Galilee. So if we see Sea of Galilee in a Google map, then it is something like this. Here you can see the Sea of Galilee. So if we see this picture in a broad way, then it is something like this. You can see here the Sea of Galilee lies between Jordan, Israel, Syria, and Lebanon. So if we see this Sea of Galilee in other way, like in a customized manner, then it is something like this. So here you can see Sea of Galilee lies between Golan Heights and Israel. So Golan Heights is also a part of Israel. And if we particularly talk about Sea of Galilee, then Sea of Galilee also known as Lake Tiberias and or Kinneret. So Tiberias is a city in Galilee's region, and this city of Tiberias is also known as Kinneret in a Hebrew language. So Hebrew language is a language of Israel. So as I said that it is lie in the north of the Israel, and it is lies between the Golan Heights and the Galilee region, and it is a freshwater body, and it is fed by several underground springs, but its major source is a Jordan River. So we will talk about Jordan River in a few minutes. Before Jordan River, we can see here some terms like Sea of Galilee. So Sea of Galilee is basically is like a religious place, and it is also said that Jesus Christ visit this place and show some magical powers here, and several tourists from around the world visit this place. And if we talk about Sea of Galilee according to the Bible, then according to the definition of Bible, Sea of Galilee is a mountainous part, and this part is divided in a upper part and the lower part. So as I said that it is a freshwater body, and the meaning of freshwater body is that it has a very low salinity, and if we see the definition, it is an inorganic, transparent, tasteless, and colorless chemical substance. And if we particularly talk about underground springs, then underground springs is like when a water flows through the aquifer. So aquifer is like this, and if the water flows through this artesian well, and this artesian well in a real sense looks like this, and this water which flow like this, and if this water flow in this river, then it form a lake like this. So Sea of Galilee is also a lake formed like this. And now if we particularly talk about Jordan River, then it flows through the Sea of Galilee and ends in the Dead Sea. And if we see the particularly the map of Jordan River, then it is something like this. You can see here the Jordan River. Here is the Jordan River, and it borders with the Israel, Palestine, called the West Bank, and ends in a Dead Sea. So its flow from north to south, and its major tributaries are Jabbok River in south and Yarbok River in north. So I hope you found this video informative. Have a nice day. Thank you.